Last time on the 1969 Mustang project car, the rear quarter panels had been removed and we found a bit of rust underneath. So in today's episode, first of all, I'm going to take care of that rust real quick with this cool product that is a rust converter and a primer all in one. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description down below. Also, after that is taken care of, the new Fastback 69 rear quarters will be fitted and welded in. Then later on I will do a comparison between the original type quarter and the Fastback quarter panels that are both installed on the car. A original on one side and a Fastback on the other side. Then after that we are going to take it outside in the sun for some shots just to show you the new rear quarter panels. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, subscribe if you want to, like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And here we go. It's a product, Carrot Seal. So it's supposed to convert the rust and prime it all in one thing. So, let's give it a shot. Looks right now. I've applied 2 coats. The directions say that when the black starts to bleed through, you're supposed to coat it again, but you know, I've done 2 coats, so we'll just see how that does. Now I gotta let it sit for 24 hours. Here's what this looks like after it's been cured. I started messing with this for finding fitment, so just ignore these cuts. But yeah, I really like that primer stuff, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so I really want to just keep going on this rear quarter panel install, but I really got to stop now so I can at least show myself so I can remember how I'm doing this. So in the back, I put the crease. Well, you can see the rolled edge on the original. I matched it up with the rolled edge on the new, right where the corner meets. But up here in the front, all I'm doing is aligning the door, essentially. Lining this with the door. Then I'm just going to cut along the old part of the car with a cutoff wheel and then weld the seam. Obviously I'm going to have to kind of clamp this down to the new fender. So I just wanted to do that even for myself so I would know what I'm doing. Also, I have it clamped onto this piece back here. So I'm getting this quarter panel mocked up, prepped, ready to go. It's a lot of, mock it up with clamps and stuff, measure it all out, see how it compares to the other side, measuring wise. Just kind of get it to snug, fit where it needs to go, and then kind of mark what metal needs to be taken off, pull it off, cut some metal, massage it around a little bit until I get the correct fitment. The biggest problem I ran into on both sides is that the inner fender wells, I kind of had to get those to where I could move them around. So yeah, that's how this is going. I've had this on and off probably a dozen times so far, and now I just need to do some more, cut a little bit more metal off. Surprisingly, everything lines up very closely to how I have it lined up on the other side. So I guess I'm going to start tacking. I know all my measurements up here are correct. I would like to pull this out just a bit more. So, I'm not like a body guy, but still, that might drive me crazy. This is the tab where you would weld it on, so that doesn't have to be pretty. You know, nobody sees that. It's in the door jamb. And then I'm able to just grab this with my hand and just sort of bend it, and that should make that point stick out there. I'm sure it's not the right way to do it, but you know, it's custom, and I'm not a professional body work person. So. Fits now. Yeah, that looks a bit better. I think that looks pretty dang good. I mean, this is probably never going to be a pretty boy car anyway, so I don't want to get too crazy and ruin it. Yeah, I'm going to say that's good. I'm using the screwdriver to get my panels to line up perfectly. These fenders were never made for this car. There's a bit of customization. See it. Something that I really like is from the front. It's got more muscle back there. Just go around. I'm just comparing. Obviously that's a stock. See, we've got some rust here. It's fine. Bit of a fitment issue here. Oh yeah, look at that. Check it out from the back. It's just so much more muscle car-esque. Anyways, I really like it. You see, the old one has two lines here. But with the Fastback fender, they just take the one line. That would be the one. That would be this line right here. Anyways, there she be.